Hello, and welcome to the Four Horsemen. Thanks for joining us here today. We're going to go over the build schedule for 2021, and we're going to introduce all the cars and what we need to do to them, just so you can get a good jump on purchasing these cars and being ready for the builds. Let's get started. The first thing is to use the same castings that we do. And the second thing, builds are due the last day of the month and your video must be posted if you have a YouTube account. Let's go ahead and go over the cars that we're going to be doing over the year. First one is a Dodge D100 pickup truck, and the theme is Dakar Rally. This is going to be an incredibly fun build. Let's definitely have some fun with this one. This one's due the end of January. The next one is a Hot Wheels mod rod, and the theme is Convertable. Turn this car into a convertible and then soup it up, make it look really cool with a great paint job, etc. Your ideas are completely up to you. Here we have an 80s El Camino, and this is one of the new ones from 2021. And the theme is shiny paint. I can't wait to see your paint jobs off of this car, man. This is going to be a lot of fun on this build. The next one for the month of April is an ID Dodge Charger, and the theme is Ratty Muscle. Now the ID Dodge Charger is the one with the chip in the bottom of it. But that's the car that we need to build, and it's going to be a lot of fun. And this is picked by Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop. I can't wait to see what you come up with on this one. For the month of May, we have a Dodge Demon, and the theme is Street Stock. This is going to be a really cool build. I can't wait to see what your street machines look like. This is going to be good for everyone. Fantastic. I'm looking forward to this one so much. The next one is from Jeff at 164 Revival, a custom Otto, and the theme is Flames. Get your flames on, folks, because this is going to be a great build, and I love doing paint jobs like this. This is going to be a lot of fun. The next vehicle we have here is a 63 Studebaker, and the theme is drag racing. This one was chosen by Xavier from Diecast Show Customs. Let's get your racing wheels on there, buddy, and let's knock this one out. This is going to be great. The next one here is an ID Roger Dodger, and the theme is Street Machine. This is picked out by Keith at Outlaw Speed Shop. So this is going to give you plenty of time to get your cars ordered for these builds. So get your stuff together and get ready to go. The next one is a Matchbox 35 Ford pickup, and the theme is Old Time Delivery. Now go back and research and find out what companies were busy during 1935. This is going to be a lot of fun. The next one is a McLaren Speedtail, and the theme is Golf Racing. Get your golf decals out, folks, and get your golf paints ready to go. This is chosen by Jeff at 164 Revival. This is going to be a fun build. I'm looking forward to this one. The next one is a Pagani Huayra, and that's how the Italians pronounce it. And the theme is police car. The month of November is chosen by Xavier from Diecast Show Customs. This is going to be an incredibly cool build. I'm looking forward to this one for sure. And last, for the month of December, we have a 62 Chevy pickup, and the theme is shop truck. This is chosen by Keith at Outlaw Speed Shop. Make one after your YouTube page or a company that you know or whatever, but this is going to be a really cool build. And there you have it. These are the builds for the 2021 season. And you can refer to this picture or video at any time. If you have any questions about the builds or anything going on, just contact any member of the Four Horsemen. There'll be a link in the comments to everybody's YouTube page. This is going to be a really cool season, folks, and I'm looking forward to seeing your builds and looking forward to anyone who wants to participate to go ahead and do that. This is going to be really cool. This is Paul representing the Four Horsemen, and thank you so much for a fantastic 2020, and 2021 is going to be better and better, and I'm looking so forward to it. Have a great day, and happy 2021 to you and your family. Cheers.